Welcome to Zarif Nature World. Today, we step into the quiet beauty of the forest. Listen closely, the gentle whisper of the wind through the trees, the soft rustle of leaves beneath your feet, the distant sound of birds welcoming a new day. The forest does not compete. It does not rush, yet it grows strong and tall. Every tree you see here started as a small seed, hidden beneath the soil, unseen, unnoticed. Just like your dreams, growth takes time, strength takes patience. In this forest, everything moves in harmony. The trees give shade, the earth gives support, the sunlight gives energy, and slowly, life expands. You do not need to hurry your journey. Like the forest, you are growing in ways you cannot yet see. Even when things feel quiet, even when progress feels slow, you are becoming stronger. Take a deep breath, feel the calm, let your worries fall away like leaves in the wind. Nature reminds us that peace is not something we chase, it is something we allow. Stay patient, stay grounded, your season of growth is coming. If this forest brought you peace, subscribe to Zarif Nature World for more calm, beauty, and inspiration.